News for parents after learning more than half of public school systems don't have enough modern fire safety systems.
So voters will soon be able to weigh in on a construction bond that would help fix all those problems. Jennifer Dowling, live at one of the schools, asking the tough questions tonight. Jennifer?
Good evening. This is Vernon behind me, and this is one of the older schools that the fire marshal has mandated needs improvements. Although the district is working on the upgrades on a long list of these schools, they have a long way to go.
This is the Centennial class, so it was built in 1917.
At Benson High School, senior Miles Wood says this grand old building in Portland is showing its age.
When it rains a lot, there is water that drips down in some of the hallways.
This school did receive some necessary upgrades to its fire system. Documents show it has one of the more positive rankings in the district. 85% of it is now covered with a sprinkler system, and it has new alarms. But other buildings are lagging far behind in fire safety.
Probably every school, with the exception of the brand new ones, needs something.
Interim Chief of Operations Courtney Wilton says around 60 out of nearly 90 buildings like West Sylvan and Vernon need fire safety upgrades, mostly due to their age. In fact, an agreement from 2014 with the fire marshal mandates the highest risk buildings be fixed by 2020. Is there anything that can happen to the schools if they don't comply with the fire marshal? Can you be fined for the violations?
We can, and I mean, this is not an option for us not to do.
Documents show that Vernon, built in 1931, is in that highest risk category with only 14% sprinkler coverage, a lack of up-to-date fire panels, and horns and alarms. Can everyone get out of those buildings in the event of a fire?
Everyone can get out, so that's not the issue. It's what else can we do to make it even better.
The school says if a $750 million construction bond passes in May, they will devote $26 million toward the safety upgrades. If it doesn't pass, they say it will come out of their operating budget. Miles hopes it passes.
Yeah, I definitely think that the bond is a necessity just to help out the school as a whole.
Now, the oldest building on the fix-it list is Woodstock at 107 years old. We learned that that building only has 1% sprinkler coverage. So again, the district has a long way to go to fix all their buildings and get them up to code. Back to you.
All right, Jennifer, thank you very much. And